Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, October 9th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Silver has reached a new all-time high. And before I get into that, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, a friend of mine sent me over an image today from, or a screenshot capture from the American Precious Metals Exchange, and it was at $51.30 some. Last time I checked it, which was just maybe 30 minutes ago, it was at $51. All right, so silver has reached an new all-time high. All right, and it's super exciting for those of us who are stacking silver right now, because it's just going to continue to go up in value. It's just going to continue to go up, folks. If you're not stacking silver right now, or if you're waiting for the dip, you're foolish, all right? Just my opinion. I'm not an expert on any of this, but just from what we've seen here over the last couple of months, the dips aren't very big anymore, right? So it's just continuing to go up, and it's really due to people are, especially countries, there's whole countries buying silver now, but it's the industrial usage is just really, it's a high demand for silver right now. With all the electric vehicles and the electronics and water purification systems, the medical applications that silver is used in, and all the other things that silver is used for, it's just the demand for it is so high. And the fact that the feds can't print more silver like they do the dollar bill, it's just driving the price of it insanely through the roof. All right, it's just gonna keep going up. You know, I've been listening to experts now for the last couple of months, and they've all are saying the same thing. Some of them predict that it'll be $70 before the end of the year. Others are saying over $100. Some are saying it could be into the mid triple digits by this time next year. Nobody really knows, but one thing is for certain, they're all saying that if you're not stacking silver right now, that you should be stacking silver. It's something that's overlooked by the majority of the people. You know, they're more invested into stocks and crypto and whatever else they're doing, and silver is often overlooked, which is good for people who stack it, right? So with our dollar bill being devalued more and more every single day, silver is something to have on hand, right? It's a tangible asset. It has real value. It's been used as a currency for thousands of years. And it's just going to continue to go up in value, right? There's only a finite amount of it here on Earth. And, you know, once it's gone, it's gone. So it's super exciting times for people like myself who have been stacking silver now for over a year. Well over a year, actually. To think back that I was buying silver not too long ago for less than $30 an ounce, and here it is today, over $51 an ounce, setting a new all-time high, is just absolutely unbelievable. It's exciting for me. And what I'm working with a company called Quicksilver. Now, I've purchased silver before from JM Bullion and SD Bullion, and there's a few other places online that I've purchased silver before over the past. But since I've been with Quicksilver, I mainly just buy from them, and they make it super simple. They allow you to what they call an auto wealth delivery. So you can set up an auto wealth delivery, which is basically having silver shipped to your doorstep every 30 days on autopilot, and you can set it up for as much as you want. So we have options that start for less than $10 plus shipping, all the way up to, you know, $2,000+ plus shipping. Actually, at that, anything over $123, you get free shipping. So, you know, it makes it super convenient. And it's just like somebody having a paycheck, or every pay period they get a certain amount of money taken out and put in over into their 401k plan or their health savings account or whatever they do. It's the same type of thing. You just have it, you know, debited out of your account every month. They send you out the silver. You're stacking silver on autopilot. And then what is really cool is every purchase, the company takes parts of their proceeds and sends them over to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization that helps feed starving children all over the world. So you're doing that by working with this company. And then on top of that, if that's not good enough, it gets even better, because the company will give, they give you 7 different ways that you can possibly earn by sharing the opportunity with other people. All right. Obviously, I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But people that show up and take action, they're the ones who get results. And we're building a huge organization right now with Quicksilver, because it's just, it's where it's at. There's nothing else right now that I'm aware of. You might get some good returns if you're buying and selling crypto, but you're definitely not getting these types of returns in your savings account at your bank, which I did a video about yesterday. And even a high yield savings account, which, some of them are paying 5+% right now. You have to have a lot of money in there to make a significant amount of money. But people that are buying silver right now, if that doubles in value over the next year or so, it's a great investment, But physical silver, the supply is drying up fast. Like I said, mostly for industrial usage, and that's just going to continue to drive the price up. So even if you're only buying 1 ounce a month, it adds up. Even if you're only purchasing 1 ounce a week, it adds up. And those that get in now, you're not going to be sorry. You're not going to be sorry, because people and countries are seeing the real value that silver has, and they're jumping on it right now. And you're just gonna, I'm gonna continue to do these videos. And next year at this time, I'm going to be saying, you know what? Don't you wish you would have bought silver when it was $51 an ounce? Because today it's $200 an ounce. All right. It's very possible that is what happens. But I'll leave a link down below this video. You can go and check out Quicksilver. We'll even send you a free silver bar just for checking us out. You pay $2.74 shipping if you're in the United States. It's $3.74 for shipping if you're outside of the United States. But check it out. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and start stacking silver, folks. All right, you heard it here. Start stacking silver. You're not going to be sorry that you did. It's a great place to trade your fiat currency backed by absolutely nothing for something of real value. All right, something that you can hold, physical, tangible value. All right. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you find value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.